Hey, welcome everybody to How It's Designed. In this SolidWorks tutorial, we are going to just make a basic part. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to start with a new part template. Hit OK. Now we're going to get started on the front plane here. We'll do a new sketch. We're going to first start using the rectangle corner, start at the origin, and just draw outwards. We'll give it some basic dimensions. Notice how we're in inches, English units. You can change the units. If I move my screen up here, you can change your units if you want to go metric. Let's move me down here. Now we can do half an inch, this, and we're going to go ahead, extrude that out 4 inches, clicking the inside profile. And now we have our basic extrusion here. We're going to do another sketch now on this top face. So we're going to select it and hit sketch. Get our normal view. And we'll do another rectangle outwards about to there. Place another dimension, same thickness, and we'll make this 3 inches, fully defined. And now we can extrude that up. We'll do 2 inches. Now, let's say we want to add a hole. So we can sketch on this face again. We can place our point. We'll dimension it out from the edge. Let's do 0.875, what is that, 13/16? Forget. Hit OK. Now we can select our hole wizard. Select that in our 3D sketch. We do counterbore, countersunk. Let's do a countersunk. 1/4 inch. We can hit OK. We'll create our hole. Now if we want, we can add a rib here. So we're going to do reference geometry, create a plane. We're going to do a mid plane by selecting those 2 faces, and it will create a plane in between. Now we can select that to sketch on. We can add just a line here. Let's say 30 degrees. And 1.25 is fine. Now we can add a rib. 1/4 inch. And that'll add our 1/4 inch width along that line. Now say we want to add a little cutout on this face. We can select that face to sketch on. We can do our 3-point arc. Select 2 points on that line. Drag it down. And say we want it right in the middle of that face, so we can select that midpoint, add a point there. And then we can add a relation, selecting our arc midpoint and that midpoint, make it vertical. Let's connect these two, add a line there, give it a radius, say 0.5 radius. Let's lock it down with a dimension from the edge. Now we can do our cut extrude all the way through. And we have that now. And let's just practice doing a radius, or a fillet. And we can just select this edge here, symmetric. We'll do 1/2 inch fillet. It'll preview it. And we can select OK. Turn this off using hide. And there's just a simple part, practicing some features. I'll be doing more example parts in SolidWorks. This is just a simple beginner part. Be sure to subscribe to the channel, check out my other SolidWorks tutorials, visit howitsdesigned.com, and we'll see you next time.